Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting software platform, which is Easy Month End and Quicken. So to get started, in 2025, Easy Month End and Quicken cater to distinct financial management need. Easy Month End is tailored for finance team aiming to streamline the month-end closing process. It offers features like task tracking, progress monitoring, and team collaboration to ensure a more efficient and organized month-end closure. Pricing starts at $45 per user month-end for up to 6 teams members and 3 entities, with a more comprehensive plan at $89 per month supporting up to 15 teams members and 10 entities, along with advanced analytics and balance sheet reconciliation. Talking about Quicken, on the other hand, is designed for individual and small businesses seeking a comprehensive personal finance and accounting solution. It provides features like budgeting, investment tracking, bills payment, and tax planning tools. Quicken offers a various plans such as Simplify or Simplify at a $2.99 per month for budgeting and saving Classic Deluxe at $2.99 per month for transactional personal finance management, and business and personal at $3.99 per month, and combine personal and business financial tools with its robust functionalities and flexibility. Quicken is suitable for users seeking all-in-one platform to manage diverse financial assets. Ultimately, the choice between Easy Month End and Quicken is depend on your specific financial management requirement. So choose Easy Month End for streamlined business month end process, and you can simply choose Quicken for comprehensive personal and small business finance management. So that's it.